Morning, everybody. I was at the mall this weekend ordering some falafel and ended up waiting a good long time, over 10 minutes for the food to come out. And I shot this video because I observed nearly every deadly um, sin of waste. And I think these guys are scrambling really hard trying to get orders out, and they're just kind of getting in their own way, doing everything that we used to do. There's a lot of overproduction. You can see all that stuff stacked up on the racks back there. None of that's being used. That's all garnish going bad, tomatoes and stuff. Um, they're prepping for way more orders than they actually have, and taking up all that counter space, all that usable space. Um, People are kind of like going in and out of that kitchen seemingly without purpose to maybe get one thing or check on something. So there's a lot of walking around that doesn't need to be happening, and then everything's going bad. All that food is rotting up there because it's warm, and people are just waiting around, and they're waiting around. You go back when this video swings back around, you're going to see there people are just standing around waiting, despite the fact that they're getting crushed. And I don't. This is they're working hard. They're just nobody's thought about it, and this is a pretty good example of what can happen if you're not applying these principles.